And you're on that last spoon of your last bottle. And you just trying to get everything out of there. I'm gonna have to do it out until I get my next shipment. This ain't gonna work. I need 30-day supply. This stuff is good. I'm telling you. This stuff will give you energy all day long. This stuff will have you ready for a workout in the morning. Just take like 5 or 6 spoonfuls and your energy be like popping. Let me see if I can get another spoon out of here. One more spoon, please. One more spoon. One more. Mm. Spoon. I feel like I need another shot. I'm, I'm like a crackhead for this stuff. Oh my God.